I'm a former principal in the Peekskill City School District. I retired in 2003 after coming in 1971 to teach 5th grade at Oakside. Over the years, I've had many students and so forth go through the Peekskill school system. And one of the things that I've always liked to do was keep involved with the kids. But I became interested in history. I became a docent down at the Phillipsburg Manor in Tarrytown. The kids come to the program, they're selected through the Youth Bureau. Mr. Darrell Francis, who is the interim director right now, has a process where he interviews kids and recommends kids to the program. A lot of them, parents, know about the program and then opt to have the kids come in. It's a good program for the summer, something for them to do that's very positive. One of the things that comes out of it is the kids have a summer where they learn different techniques of building, primarily hand tools and so forth. We also learn to row. We're on the river every Wednesday morning, 9:30, and depending on the weather. And typically we spend at least 6 out of the 8 weeks on the water. One of the incentives for them, believe it or not, is that they get paid. They have a little stipend that comes through the county and the city working, and they get paid for their efforts. A lot of people ask me, can they come over and work on the boat and volunteer? I said, well, sure, but we have yet to set it up where that's an actual opportunity for people. So it's a great program. I enjoy it. It keeps me active and focused, and I think it's going to work out through the years.
What I enjoy about it is the way you get to build stuff. Like, we can paint stuff and we can build and create boats. We're also building this canoe, which is in work in progress right now. Mr. Taylor is a good person and a good instructor for everyone.
What I like most about this program is that it gives me something to do over summer or in general, because normally I won't be able to do anything at home that's really like useful or learningful. So I come here to learn something every day. I learned how to use certain tools to cut wood. I also learned how to row today, so that could be useful. And I learned how to just be helpful in general.
Because you get to build stuff and put stuff together. I'm now McCoy, and what I like most about this program is building the boats, and on Wednesdays we go out and sail them. I learned how to sand, plaster, and glue the pieces of the boat and build my own prototype and model. My coach always told me that I'm getting older now. It's okay to joke around and have fun, but I have to be a leader because you never know who's watching. You never know who's trying to be like you, whoever wants to be I'm a role model to others. I'm getting older now and I have to realize that now. Mr. Taylor is the best guy you can work for, and he has a lot of patience, and he's very helpful to others, including me.
Hi, my name is Brian Cureton Jr. I'm a senior at Marist College, and I've worked for Boatworks for 3 years, from 2011 to 2013. This program really impacted my life because it taught me how to learn how to be hands-on with tools. It taught me how to become a leader. It taught me how to interact with other people in a constructive way. So it really had a positive impact on my life because it taught me new skills that I didn't know how to use before. You know, you learn a plethora of new skills when you come to this program, and very interactive. So you're not just building boats all day. You get to go out and row boats and you know, actually get to experience what it's like to be out in one of the boats you built.